Hello everyone, so I am making one more video on one more idea that I use to grow plants in a limited space. So this is in the grill of my bedroom. So I'm using these bath mugs. They are really inexpensive, and what I do is I zip tie them, made holes with a heated screwdriver through its handle, and then I've zip tied them to my grill, so it's pretty strong and sturdy. I use coco peat and soil so that it's not very heavy, and I also punched a few holes at the bottom. So right now it is growing I'm growing Indian oregano, which is also called ajwain ka patta. So yeah, so I've placed a couple of these mugs here, and what happens is when I water them, it goes to the next layer, which is also growing Epipremnum aurum, which is money plant. This is again cuttings of my previous plant. I also have uh, vinca here, so it is not flowering at this point, but yeah, it is growing here, and then it moves to the bottom layer of plants as well. So if you see, it's using a very small area of space. However, I have the possibility of growing a huge number of plants here as well. So if you like this idea, do give me a thumbs up, and you can use this as one of your ideas for an inexpensive way of growing plants rather than buying expensive hanging pots, etc. That's it from my side. Thank you very much for watching.